Welcome to police headquarters. So we are meeting for the first time. So I thought of meeting all of you for a long time, but somehow it didn't happen. So that's why I thought I will again request all of you to just have a small interaction with all of you. So I may ask to introduce yourself because we are meeting for the first time. So it will be good that we can have an introduction. Myself, Sharad Agarwal. I have joined DGP in July 2025. I have come from Delhi. I am 97 batch IPS officer. See, from my side, I would only request that we have to work together. We would like you to publicize our good work. Whatever good work is done by the Mizoram police, we would like you to publicize that so that the people of Mizoram are made aware of the good work done by police. And as you know, we take up a lot of campaigns from time to time. A lot of campaigns are being taken up from time to time, particularly in the field of anti-drug campaign, in the field of motor vehicle awareness, and so many other campaign we keep on taking up in various districts, various units, and the efforts are being made by the different officers in their capacity with the students, with the college students, school students, NGOs, volunteers, civil society organizations. All kind of such efforts are being made. Recently, as you know, that on the occasion of this 31st October, that is the Rashtriya Ekta Divas, we have organized Run for Unity in various police stations all across the state. Not only the Run for Unity, we also organize blood donation camp. We also organize what we'll say that other campaign also in the schools and the colleges. So all these activity be celebrated during this week, that week up to the 31st October. That is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So at the national level, the Honorable Prime Minister and the central government desired that every politician should celebrate this as a basically mark our tribute to Sardar Patel. And in future, it is going to be celebrated as a police day. Like 26th January, as we know, it is a defense which is celebrating the 26th January. So similarly, the Honorable Prime Minister wants that 31st October should be popularized as a police day, so that people come to know the good work being done by the police throughout the year. So we should highlight that our good work which we are doing, the kind of efforts being made by the police to maintain the law and order in the society, to help out the public at large in the society, to control the crime, to prevent the crime, to detect the crime, all those things. And as you know, we also play important role during the disaster time. As and when there is any disaster, particularly in our state, we have a lot of incident of what you call this landslides during the monsoon. So all these difficult times, police is the first responder. Police reaches the first, then the fire brigade or the ambulance and other paramedical staff and other agencies, civil administration, district administration reaches. So police is always the first responder in all such situation. So we are making efforts to strengthen our network in that regard. Other day I visited our ERSS, emergency response system and support system, that we have 112 number. As you know that nowadays 100 number has been phased out. It is only one number, 112, which is common for police, fire, ambulance. All three are combined together at 112. So we have a control room, this SP building, that SP Aizol office complex. So I visited that control room to see how it is working in the state. Even though we are not getting much calls, as you know, that people are more comfortable to reach out to the police station concern, or to reach out to the concerned SP at the local level instead of calling 112. But yet there is a system. There is a system. We are getting calls, and then we are sending our vehicles to attend the call, to address the whatever grievance, whatever problem has been reported, whatever crime has been reported, like the accident or the some kind of dispute, some kind of theft, something, whatever has been reported. So our effort is to respond promptly and to address the issue at the earliest. If there is a legal action required, we take legal action. So that also we are trying to further upgrade it, further reduce the response time when the call comes, so that our officer reaches to the spot as quickly as possible. But as you know that the terrain is like that, sometimes it takes time to reach out to the place of occurrence. So we are making, and particularly as you all are aware that a special campaign is going on against the drugs in the Champai district with the initiative of our Honorable Home Minister. And he also held, I'm sure he must have briefed you in the past. And we have selected some important villages in the border area, that is in Champai district, where we have deployed our policemen along with the village councils, along with the NGOs, along with the volunteers, along with the YMA and other such agencies, and with the help of these public spirited organizations, we are conducting patrolling, we are conducting random checking, and it has given us a very good result. There have been a lot of catches. There have been a lot of cases registered in the last almost 2.5 months, more than September, October, November, 3 months. It's now 3 months. We launched this operation on 1st of September, so it's almost more than 3 months now. So, and there has been a lot of positive effect of this campaign in the border area. So we continue to carry on this operation, and we will review it again, and as per the need, as per the requirement, we will further strengthen it and further spread to other areas as well. And our campaign, our drug is continuing, and we keep on making seizures, keep on taking action in all the concerned districts from Champai, Setwal, Aizol, Kolase, down south is Longtalai, Sia. All these districts we are taking a lot of concern is there, a lot of action is being taken in the field of drug trafficking, which we hope to continue further in the coming months. And otherwise, as you all know, that Mizoram is a very peaceful state. People are very law-abiding, very rule-following. So in that way, we are quite fortunate to serve in this society. And whatever best efforts we can make, we are trying to do that. So my request to you will be that please carry our message to the public, carry the good work of the police to the public at large. And in case you come across anything which is happening against the law, if there is any violation, if anything happening which is not, it is illegal or it is irregular, please feel free to reach out to us, to our officers in the field, police stations, SDPO, SP, DIG, IG, myself. We will always be there to address the issue, to take necessary legal action if required. So we'll be more than happy to initiate appropriate action in the matter. Thank you. If anybody has to say anything, if you have anything to no, as per the past practices, yeah, as you know that already our SP Traffic has launched a drive for no zero tolerance during this month of December because of the festival season. So that campaign has already started. Zero tolerance against the traffic violations particularly in the Aizol city, because we have a lot of traffic during this month because of the festive season. So that is one thing. Second thing is that yes, our officer will be making elaborate arrangement for the forthcoming Christmas celebrations in the markets, in the churches, and other prominent places. So that exercise we'll do again as per the last practices, as per the previous years. We'll do that again.
Where the road accident. Road accident.
Yes.
Yeah, during this season, no.
Yes, that's why that's why we are going for zero tolerance against any kind of violations. People traveling at high speed, people traveling in a rash and negligent manner, or there is a haphazard parking, or the parking in a dangerous way. All those things will be taken care. Our traffic staff has been sensitized, so they will be taking care of that. And one thing I would like to highlight here is that recently our IG headquarter, IG law and order basically, who also look after traffic, he got analyzed the cause of fatal accident in the state of Mizoram. And most of the time we found it is the rash and negligent manner that is the main cause for these accidents. So we are in the process of identifying the spots and taking corrective actions, whatever we in the both in terms of fine, challans, and as well as the awareness. I am of the opinion first we have to make the person aware. First we have to make him aware. Only then we should go for the challan. First we have to teach him. First we have to give him an opportunity to improve. Give him an opportunity to follow the traffic rules. Even then, if he is not doing, then yes, then he is liable for action under the traffic laws, traffic rules. But generally, people follow the rules here. I've seen I myself while traveling on the road. Normally, people follow the rules, but yes, sometimes some youngster they drive very fast, so that becomes a cause of concern that may lead to accidents, particularly when the road is empty and they want take chance. Let us drive fast, and during that time they may slip also, they may collide also, they may not on a sharp turn, they may skid also. All those kind of possibilities are there. So that we have to be little careful.
4,000.
No, no. Present strength is around 7,500. So we have a vacancy of more than 4,000. That is true.
Is there any plan for the
Yeah, we have already, yes, we have already made a proposal to the government of Mizoram requesting for the
recruitment?
and requirements. So it is under active consideration. That is what I can say. It is under active consideration. Already we have a batch which is already undergoing training at PTS Thanjol. We have almost 279 constables, male, female. They are undergoing training at basic training at Thanjol. So that started in last week of July, no August. Sorry, last week of August. So they are already undergoing training, and our request is pending with the government. It is under active consideration.
We have a new railway station.
Yes.
Sharad, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So many
Trains are coming. So
yes, trains
yes.
are coming, so many visitors coming. So is there any plan to open police
Already,
outpost or
no, see, yeah. See, normally, there's a system called GRP, Government Railway Police. That is the basically a force which look after the railway property, which are look after the railway station from the policing point of view. Even though we haven't got GRP sanction for Mizoram as of now, but we are managing both Sairang and Bhairabi railway station out of our present strength. We have made detailed deployment at Sarang. As you know that we have also been given responsibility of issuing the ILP also, the temporary ILP at the railway station. Those who are coming from outside, those who require to have a ILP to visit.
know that there are insufficient police?
See
Station
that
to check the ILP.
as you know that this strength is we are already facing resource crunch. There's a huge shortage of manpower in the department, but still we are making efforts there. We have streamlined the system. Like as you know, Honorable Home Minister himself visited the railway station some time back to have a on ground inspection when the train came in the morning from Guwahati. We were all there, Chief Secretary, myself, my officers, all were there. And then we took some corrective measures, like we got one additional gate opened for those who do not require ILP, like the Mizo people. So that there is no congestion at the main gate. So now there is another gate opened so that all those who do not require ILP, they can straight away move from that gate. So that will put less pressure on the main gate. Then we got this separate counter for filling up the form, because earlier what they were happening, they were getting the form the same counter and depositing the form the same counter. So now we have agreed that the forms are distributed from the different counters and forms are submitted at the different counters. And we are also in the process of, as of now, they are paying the fees for ILP in cash. We are also getting a QR code so that they can pay the fees online. So that will reduce the time for taking the ILP or for getting the fees deposited or getting the cash, the balance amount in cash and all that, no? The change and all that. So that takes a lot of time. So that our SP Aizol is in touch with the bank. So shortly we are going to have a QR code. So that will make the payment very easy. Not only that, we are also making a lot of awareness campaign so that people who are coming to Mizoram, they can take the temporary ILP through the online system, online portal, so that it will reduce the pressure at the railway station. So that also we have tie up with the railway. Also, we are also making through railway we are making announcement in the train. We are also going to make advertisement in the local newspaper in Guwahati and other places, because maximum we are getting from Guwahati, because as you know, Guwahati train is a daily train. Delhi train is only once in a week. Kolkata is only thrice in a week. Maximum people are coming from Guwahati side, from the Assam side. I would say from the Assam side. So we are trying to make people aware that they need ILP if they want to visit Mizoram, so that they can apply online.